Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Heltons Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. I have probably made a video to show you how to download and install Spotify, and also to check out some cool channels and stuff you can search through there, from music to videos to stuff like that. But let's say if you don't like the Spotify on there. Let's say if you like Pandora or something like that from the web or something like that instead. I'll be showing you how you can uninstall this program. So let's go ahead and get started. So first you just go ahead and go to Start, and you can go to Settings, then choose Apps, and you'll scroll down until you see Spotify, and here's Spotify right there, and you can click the uninstall, and press uninstall again, and it'll probably prompt us for this, and we would choose yes to uninstall it. Now in case by some reason, if you're on a different user or something like that, if Spotify doesn't want to show up here, it's very unlikely, but it has happened to people before. You can also go to the second option by pretty much going to Start and go ahead and type in Control Panel. I just typed in Control and this came up, and I'll take us to this location. You'll choose Programs and Features, and then you'll look for the program that we're looking for, and it is Spotify. You would pretty much can double click it, or you could also just click the uninstall button, and it'll tell us to this message, are you sure you want to uninstall Spotify? You would press OK, and pretty much it starts being uninstalled like super quick. And that's pretty much it. You might need to restart your computer for it to clear out. It probably has additional stuff during the task, but Spotify pretty much got uninstalled. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button, but if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description, and for the rest, I will see you on the next video.